Aye, cool folks, welcome to San Francisco. Current local time is 12:12 p.m. or a.m. excuse me. It's a 3-hour difference between here and Hawaii if you are intending to reset your watches. We're going to be taxiing for the next few moments, so for your continued comfort, most especially your safety, folks, please remain seated with those seatbelts securely fastened. That's until Captain Jameson comes to a complete stop at the gate, turns off that fasten seatbelt sign. That's the only indication it's safe for you to get up out of your chairs and start collecting your belongings. Speaking of which, folks, check around your seat area. Little cracks and crevices, the little seat pocket in front of you, the spot underneath the chair in front of you as well. Popular spots to forget items. It will be very difficult to get back on the aircraft once you have exited. Additionally, folks, watch your step as you exit the aircraft today. It's going to be a slight floor level change. Also, watch your head as you open those overhead bins. Items inside may have shifted during the flight. They may fall out. If you have requested wheelchair assistance, we ask that you please remain seated until the main flow of passengers have disembarked. That's so our porters can better assist you. And if you gate checked any of your items today, such as car seats or strollers, please allow the ground staff about 5 to 10 minutes to